Good morning, everybody. I'm just doing a garden check-in. It's finally quit raining for a little bit. It's supposed to rain all week again, though. So, just thought I would show you guys some of my garden. There's my onions. They look good, don't they? They're big. There's a striped potato. Y'all, look at my carrots. Look at that lettuce that's coming up in the middle of the rows. They came up volunteer from last year. And look at this big old head of lettuce that came up volunteer from last year. It's all over. I even had little lettuces growing out in the middle of my yard. But so there's my carrots, and you can see spinach, lettuce, the red lettuce, and the light green. Doesn't it look so pretty all in a row like that with different colors? I didn't intend to plant it like that, but that's how it ended up. Y'all, my Roma tomatoes are so tiny and they've already got blossoms on them, and I don't know what to do. If that's okay, or will it grow some more? Here's my lettuce. I put some marigolds in here and they're doing really well. Look at my potatoes, guys. That thing started out with 3 inches of dirt in it. They're getting ready to start blooming. This is all potatoes. It's starting to rain on me again. My sweet potatoes look wonderful. When I stuck those in there, you guys, they were just sticks. They just looked like that one. My other big pot of potatoes. I have 2 big pots, a little tote, and then that thing of sweet potatoes over there. This is my garlic, and I planted carrots inside of it too. It's doing wonderful. Another sweet potato, and then right there, that plant and that one, those are sugar pie pumpkins. And then I need to get out here and weed again, you guys. This is horrible. Look at all of my okra. This whole row is okra. And then I have some beans there. And my corn, some of them that I planted the first go round are still there, but the ones that I planted the second time are starting to come up better. And then over here, just 2 big old long rows of sunflowers. I'm gonna have to thin out my plants a little bit, but y'all, just threw seeds on the ground and covered them up. That's all I did. Some more beans. So we were supposed to have beans all the way down that row, but for some reason the ones in the middle didn't really germinate all that great. So when I replanted my corn, I completely filled it up with corn there in the middle. I think I planted 75 to 100 corns. No. Something happened to my little acorn squash plant. The leaves got all broke off. I hope it'll be okay. You can see all my peppers. See lettuce hanging out in the middle of the row. And these are my acorn squashes. And look at all my beets. This is probably what happened to my plant over there, y'all. Cats. Let's go over here and look at my peas. Well, here's the cucumbers and some more sweet potatoes. Cucumbers are looking nice. This side is cantaloupe with some beets in there all around. And then this side is watermelon. And then back here are all my peas and some more beets. And y'all, my peas are growing, but they look pretty sick down at the bottom. I'm wondering if they've had too much water or too much rain. I don't know. This is only the first year I've been able to get any peas to grow at all. The plants. So and over here, my herbs are coming back, you guys. They're starting to look better. So hopefully they'll do okay. And all of these down here, I have more seedlings. I need to, I don't know if I have enough places to plant them or not, but I have one pot that needs to be replaced, and then I can put them in the, I can also put them in the ground next to the peppers if I need to. I don't want to waste those plants because those are the ones I grew up from seeds. So, and then my little kitchen garden, my cilantro is doing okay. Does anybody know when you're supposed to pick cilantro? Is it supposed to turn pink like that at the bottom? I've never seen it like that at the store. My lemon balm is doing very well, and my mint, you guys, it's so pretty. So just thought I would check in with everybody. I'll talk to everybody later. Love you. Bye.